Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Rich here, inside again this morning because it's just easier. Plus, I got a roaring fire there, and my trusty dog Chase is right there. Hey, Chase, I'm making a video right now. And we've got a lot to talk about. I keep backing my alarm up every morning because it's a complex situation, especially as we look at that winter weather potential on Friday morning. Well, this morning, as I make this at 4:22 a.m., it's 27 degrees out at the airport with a wind chill factor of 19 already and still heading downward. Another raw day today. I've got us around mid-40s for a high temperature with a northwest wind at 8 to 14, which will add a bite to the air. I've got the coldest night and coldest morning will actually be tomorrow morning, around 21 or 22, but wind chill I don't think will be a factor by then. And I've got us with more sun tomorrow, dominating with a high temperature up to about 47 on Thursday. The problem comes late Thursday night and into Friday. And you and I have been talking about this winter weather potential for 2 or 3 weeks now. And we knew that far out. And there's still many question marks depending on which model you look at. We're looking at the global models now, the GFS and the European. But very soon, we're within 48 hours of the event. Very soon we'll be able to look at much more detailed models. The North American model, the high resolution rapid refresh, the WRF model, others. That will give us a better idea of who could see what as far as a mixture of precipitation, rain, freezing rain, snow, maybe as far south here as the I-85 corridor. Some of the models like the GFS even takes it even farther south to places like Troy and Eufaula. And then what is going to be the potential effect on the roads, and who could see accumulation. Well, the farther north you go in the state, especially, north of Watauga and Elmore counties, is the better chance of accumulating snow. You go north of Clanton and the chances really increase. And then you go into an extreme north and northwest Alabama, and there could be a substantial amount of snow. We don't have any winter weather advisories yet because it's too early. We're 48 hours out, but there will be, winter weather advisories, and we'll get here in the next hour or two a map showing potential effects on the roadway. I think even as far south here as I-85, we could see potential of problems on the bridges and overpasses. They become slippery first. I think the roadways are probably going to be fine, but all of that is yet to be ironed out. There's many possibilities, so we'll keep you up to date. And there'll be another important update for you, well, not only later today, but also tomorrow morning as we get closer and closer to this event. We haven't had to deal with one of these in quite a while. Okay, so the actual high temperature on Friday, as the precipitation in the morning, which could be a mix, turns to all rain, only 38 for a high temperature. That's dismal. And we will have freezing temperatures for the next several nights. As you look at the 10-day graph below, excuse me, you'll see that the only day where the temperature is going to be near or above the normal would be about day 10. So Arctic air continues to grip not only Alabama, but much of the nation, and the coldest air we've seen so far. All right, so I think that those are the major points that I wanted to make for you this morning. This morning, everything is normal, including live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There will be, of course, another forecast discussion, which is what this is, the video and blog update with really great detailed graphics for you in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. And we'll know a lot more by tomorrow morning because we'll be in range of those higher res models. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations. That's where you will find my forecast on the Blue Water family of stations. Stay warm out there. Another dismally cold day. I mean, I know some of you like it. About this many of you like it, and about this many of you don't like it. So I'm the ones that not too happy about it. We'll see you later. Stay warm. Hey, because of the complexity of this very difficult situation, our weather app will keep you on top of the action with all in the access to my post. You'll see hourly forecast, 10-day forecast. You'll be able to see what the wind chill is. You'll be able to see any winter weather watches or warnings or advisories, all because our app knows where you are. It's free in the App Store. Get it on your phone or tablet now. Just search Rich Thomas Weather.